My video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the pop-ups and malicious alerts related to the site Au01.bid. Au01.bid is a malicious and really deceptive site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. This site Au01.bid tries to make users click on a special allow button, supposedly to help them watch some video, but to click on allow is definitely a serious mistake. The point is that this would hijack the browser with multiple advertisements that will keep attacking the screen in the form of repeated web push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on allow, it's time to get your browser fixed. So access the menu, go to settings, privacy and security, site settings, and in the permissions choose notifications. Pay attention to the sites, allow it to send notifications. So remove any malicious sites in case you detect them on the list. Carefully, one by one, get rid of all of them. All these junk sites need to be deleted. Finally, I recommend you to carefully research the computer with the help of reliable antivirus program, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and then once the program is successfully installed, start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time, the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.